Hey everyone, it's Mark here with Buckeye Marine. We're in the Mastercraft booth at the Toronto International Boat Show with this all new Mastercraft NXT 21. One of my favorite boats in Mastercraft's model lineup. The NXT series has come a long way since its launch in 2015. Surf performance is exceptional, very versatile boat, cruising, skiing, wakeboarding, surfing. It truly can do it all. And for a premium Mastercraft product, it comes in at a reasonably desirable price point. So we'll come to the back and check out what it has to offer. So NXTs are equipped with the same style surf system as all the XT and X Series boats, so you don't have to sacrifice performance in going with the NXT line. Again, over the years, this boat's been refined and evolved to really be more in line with what an XT Series boat is in terms of the automation it offers, the hull design, the tower design, and the all-new 7-inch dash, which I'll show you when we get inside. So the boat's running the same Ilmor power plant standard in all the XT and NXT models. That's a 6-liter motor. 6-liter Ilmor V8 puts out just over 380 horsepower, so gobs of power for this boat. You'll never really be in an application where you feel underpowered. Also comes backed by one of the best warranties in the industry with 7 years, 1,000 hours on the powertrain. So you know when you're getting into something like this, you're obviously buying the quality, buying the reliability and refinement, and you get that warranty to back it up. So let's head inside and see what else the boat has to offer in the cockpit. Again, when the NXT was initially launched, it was targeted to be that kind of scaled back value boat in Mastercraft's lineup, and it did really well. But what consumers and what we found was people actually wanted a little more of the amenities and the nicer features that were available on the XT series, but at a better price point. And that's what this new NXT 21 has to offer. You'll see the tower design, same as an XT series boat. That Z6 tower folds back manually in just a few seconds. They've got away from bungee board racks into these nice mechanical clamping swivel racks. All that's standard on the boat. Obviously optional tower speakers with the advanced audio package. And then a really nice premium feeling interior featuring the SeaDek flooring. This particular NXT 21 does have some inserts with the Cool Feel vinyl. And then as we head to the dash, you'll see what it looks like. It's a lot more comparable to the XT lineup than it's ever been. So let's check out that 7-inch dash. So new for 2024 on all the NXTs is this redesigned dash with a 7-inch screen. So the boat does offer full automation, so it's push and go. If you want to surf left, surf right, change from wakeboarding to skiing to cruise control for driving, it's all at the touch of a button right on the 7-inch screen here. In previous years that was a 4.3-inch, little more simplistic screen. What I love about this boat is it's a driver's boat. You see the line of sight from the dash up. All your controls there, all your manual boat switches, everything's right at your fingertips. And then having that level of automation and simplicity through the dash makes the user experience really, really nice. So being a 21-foot boat, little deeper freeboard than the conventional 20-foot. Surf performance is awesome, and with that extra size and a little more depth, you get really, really good space in the interior for storage. So, like most of the other boats, that kind of gull-wing seat there that goes all the way through, you can fit a 6-foot surfboard right in, slalom skis, and then you've got cavernous storage here, as well as a cooler on the other side. So lots of room to put your stuff if you're going out for the day. Tons of storage in the boat. They've also integrated, surfboard holders on the top and bottom of the bimini. So again, you can have all your gear kind of up top, boards and skis in the racks, surfboards up top, and leaving the cockpit for lounging and having a lot of space. So lots of models to offer. The NXTs range from 20 to 24 feet. We've got a few on display here. If it's something that you're thinking about, you want to get into for a new towboat, reach out to us. We'd love to either schedule an appointment or set up a demo for the spring to get you out in a new Mastercraft.